Got it? Just one. Viewer subscribers, Sizzla Kalonji is at it again, and this time he linked up with a king from Ethiopia, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look to see Sizzla linking up with a king from Ethiopia, because we all know say Sizzla is a roots man, no joke about that. Alright.
You are from the Jewish.
Yes.
Okay. There's no difference.
No difference.
Yes, there's no difference. It's just that the white men bring at Ethiopia, Africa, and
Viewer subscribers, you see the link up here with Sizzla Kalonji and the king from Ethiopia. It no normal. Remember me tell you no, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked, no joke. Talk truth no people. It's always a good feeling and a joy to see black people a unite in a earth. Talk truth no people.
partition it.
Yes, right. Stop.
Are you taking?
Yeah. And then you have 1930. And viewer subscribers, I just want to take the time out to big up Sizzla Kalonji in a real life. Yeah man, them man have been a do it and still a do it. Talk truth no people. Big up yourself. One dada, one judgment yard. No joke.
The Sizzla Youth Foundation, Judgement Yard. I call it Judgement Yard based on Psalms 9. Most I was judgment. And because we're Rastafari, we are an empire. Rastafari.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Sizzla Kalonji, Dada, linking up with a king from Ethiopia. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a good feeling. It's a joy to see Sizzla Kalonji linking up with the king from Ethiopia. And viewer subscribers, we all know this link up is nothing normal. Right now, at the sickest link up, me see in this long while. Talk truth no man, and me not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Sizzla Kalonji Judgement Yard fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Sizzla linking up with a king from Ethiopia. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Is a hit link up or it miss? Yeah man, more see all of the fans them from Judgement Yard and all of the dancehall fans them, all of the reggae fans them, and all of the fans them from Ethiopia. I spam up the comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.